What's up, world? Frost back in the building, Nashan. I'm here and I'm glad y'all tuning back in. And if you're a sports fan, are you ready for some football? No. Well, I know. And a soccer football matter. We're talking about American traditional football. Season is about to kick off, and I thought to myself, I'm like, I wonder how much Caribbean players is in the league, because I didn't know, and I'm pretty sure maybe if you clicked on this video, you didn't know either. So we're going over 10 athletes that are from the Caribbean that play for the NFL, America's Pro Football League, and we're gonna get into it right now, alright? Boom. So what we're gonna do, number 10, we're gonna count it down. It doesn't even matter. I'm not saying they're best or worst, but we're just gonna do it as a countdown. So starting with number 10, we're gonna start with, from the Indiana Colts, Michael Strahan. Michael Strahan hails from the Bahamas. Man come from Freeport, Bahamas. Born August 13, 1997. He's about 6'5", 225 pounds. He went to Charleston, West Virginia College, and he was drafted round 7, number 229. Well, pick 229. So there we have the first one, Michael Strahan from the Indiana Colts, and you can see his jersey number right there too. So if you want to go and pick up his jersey and support the Bahamian youth, there you go. Bahamas when I got one. Right. And fun fact, he's also one of only 4 Bahamians to play in the NFL. So he's definitely doing his country proud. All right, respect youth. Let's go up the line, Coming in at number 9, we have Linval Clement Joseph. Yes, youth from the Philadelphia Eagles. He's from St. Croix, U.S. Virgin Island. Yeah, it's a U.S. territory, but still Caribbean nonetheless. So he might fit up on the list. All right, and him named Linval Clement Joseph. He played for the Philadelphia Eagles. Bad boy. He plays for the Philadelphia Eagles. He was drafted by the New York Giants. He was in the second round, number 46 overall. And he also played for the Vikings as well as the LA Chargers. Number 8 is Ramon Harewood, hailing out of Barbados. Offensive tackle. It's about 6'6", 330 pounds. Like I said, he coming out of St. Michael, Barbados, for all who don't know the area. So they can hail up the Don. And where he come from, he plays for, right now he's a free agent. But fun fact, 2013 he played for the Ravens, and he's the only Bayesian to win a Super Bowl ring. So that's definitely cool. Ramon Harewood from Barbados. We're going where? We're going to didnt, Trinidad and Tobago, because we're going to big up Javon Kinlaw, Trinidadian, and when born 1997, October 3rd, right? And he's playing for the 49ers. Just got drafted in 2020, so he still has a fresh career, very young youth, very young career. So we're looking out to see what he do. He's a 49ers. That's a pretty popular football team in America. So if you want to get his jersey, all my Trinis out there, you can support your boy. You see me? Then at number 7, what we doing? We're gonna big up N'Keal Harry. Now this one, he's a Canadian-born youth, but his family, as a baby, they went back home to St. Vincent and Grenadines, and that's where he did most of his growing up till they forward back to the States. And N'Keal, I hope I'm saying your right, brother. Hope I'm saying your name right, brother. N'Keal Harry. Like I said, he's both Canadian-born, but raised from St. Vincent and the Grenadines. He's a wide receiver, born December 17, 1997. He's around 6'4", 225 pounds. He went to Arizona State College. He was drafted in 2019, round 1, pick 32. And he was with the Patriots from 2019 to 2021, and then he got to the Bears in 2022. Currently, from 2023 on, which is the current season, he's on the Minnesota Vikings. So N'Keal Harry Canadian. Canadians got a lot. I didn't include them in the list because, like I said, the Caribbean, but because he was raised in St. Vincent Grenadines, I chose to include him. And like I said, enough of us don't even know no Caribbean players in our football like that, you know? So I can move it up the line. Next on the list, we got Nevin Lawson. He's a cornerback, 5'9", 192 pounds, coming out of Kingston, Jamaica. He went to college out of Utah State. He even went to high school out here in Florida, in Fort Lauderdale. He went to Piper High School. That was pretty cool. Drafted by the Detroit Lions, 4th round, 133rd overall. From 2014 to 2021, he was with the Lions. Currently, he's a free agent. Pretty sure he's been working out with a couple teams because, you know, he's pretty good. The scouting reports, they said he was pretty durable and a productive player with a muscular build. He had great coverage skills and the ability to read and react quickly. So I don't think he should be out of a job for too much longer. All right. Again, out of Kingston, Jamaica, Nevin Lawson. So I had to support the youth jersey, all of my yardies, you know, and tapping it into football. Alright, so we're gonna round off the list with a bunch of Jamaicans and I'm gonna go all the suspense. And the next one is Matt Pert. Matt Pert out of Kingston, Jamaica. And he born June 11, 1997. He's around 6'7", 318 pounds. He went to college. His college was UConn, a very prestigious D1 college. Drafted in 2020, round 3, pick 99. He's currently on the Giants. That's who drafted him, and that's the team he's currently on. And not New York, so I'm gonna get me a Giants jersey. Matt Pert, big up yourself. Out of Kingston, Jamaica, offensive tackle. All right. Next up on the list is Corey Ballantyne. We gotta take it up to Bay now. He's from Montego Bay, Jamaica. Corey Ballantyne, drafted by the Green Bay. No, he was drafted by the Giants, but he ended up playing for Green Bay Packers, and that's where he currently is. All right. So Corey Ballantyne is a quarterback, number 35 for Montego Bay. Let's see, let me get some more stats on him. He's 5'11", 196 pounds, cornerback. He went to Shawnee Heights High School in Tacoma, Kansas. And his college was Washburn from 2014 to 2018. He did all 4 years. Drafted in 2019, round 6, 180 overall. So, and that was Corey Ballantyne from Montego Bay, Jamaica, cornerback on the Green Bay Packers. Next. So we are getting closer and closer to the end of this list, you know. I hope you got to learn some things already. If you already know some other Caribbean born or even their parents, you know, I don't mind. Big up Jamaicans all the way, same way, you know what I'm saying? But let me know in the comments if you know any other Caribbean born. Shout out to any island that I left off the list. I was just trying to keep it short. There wasn't too many current, but over the decades, there was a lot of Caribbean players. All right, so let's keep it moving. All right, so if you made it this far, thanks for rocking with us, because you got to be a sports fan. And yeah, I'm not talking about soccer, football, I'm talking about American traditional football, but you know, we're cross cultures, and if you're a sports fan, I'm pretty sure that you like more than one sport. And you probably didn't even know that there are a lot of Caribbean athletes that are involved in NFL on the pro level of football. See? So let me just close this out, not yet, but running out with Daniel Hunter. Hails from St. Catherine, Jamaica. Plays for the Vikings. He's the linebacker. Born October 29, 1994. He's about 6'5", 263 pounds. He went to high school in Morton Ranch in Katy, Texas. But he went to a big-time college, LSU. In 2015, he was drafted in round 3, 88th overall. Currently, he's still on the Vikings roster, so you can look out for him this season. He should be doing well, big up on the Yardies, and he does got some good accolades, so he's doing his thing. He's a second-team All-Pro 2018, 3 times Pro Bowl 2018, 2019, 2022, and he was on the All-Rookie team in 2015. So, big up Daniel Hunter. Definitely from St. Catherine, Jamaica, doing this thing on the pro level. You see me? So who we are gonna big up next now? This one is probably, I must say, he's probably one of the most decorated NFL players from out of the Caribbean, and he's coming from royalty out of Jamaica, reggae royalty, I should say. So yes, this athlete that I'm talking about comes from Kingston, Jamaica, another Kingstonian. See me? Named Patrick Chung. And Patrick Chung comes out of Kingston, Jamaica, August 19th, 1987. He's about 5'11", 215 pounds. He went to high school in California, Rancho Cucamonga, in the city named the same. Went to college, was in Oregon. He got drafted in 2009, second round, picked 34 of all overall. He was 34 pick overall, but you know, he did play with Tom Brady, the GOAT. He has 3 NFL Super Bowl rings, and he was definitely key to winning one of those chips. Well, he's probably key in all of them, but he definitely had some highlights during one of them when I was doing my research, but I'm trying not to get copyright flagged by the NFL content, so that's why I couldn't include too much sound in the vlog. But we had to get our people in some props, you know what I'm saying? Patrick Chung. And fun fact, did you know that he is the son of Sophia George? You don't know who Sophia George is? Okay. His mom sung the 1985 hit, "Young man, you're too girly, girly." I'm sure, I mean, I want to sing it for now. I don't want my voice to go fire, I don't know.
Young man, you're too girly, girly. You just a flash with Johnny Whirly. Young man, you're too girly, girly. You just a flash with Johnny Whirly.
Me say you're too girly, girly. Yo, bring back some memories back in my mother car and she'll play them tune there. Anyway, alright, so we're closing that out with Patrick Chung and Sophia George. Big up the 2-1-0. And this was, well, the 10 Caribbean athletes you probably didn't know were in the NFL. The list goes on, but I tried not to go back too far. This was at least in the last 4 or 5 years that I did. If you want to do your research and expand and come back here and let me know somebody credible, hey, definitely. Or we could do an updated video about some more, you know, the most legends. We could do the most legendary Caribbean athletes. And I'm gonna work on a WNBA one, and I'm doing an NBA one. As soon as the season get ready to kick off, look out for that. And I thank y'all for viewing. Thank you for watching. Thank y'all for being a part of the community. We're almost there, almost getting to 1,000 subscribers. I couldn't be here without y'all. It's a lot of fun, it's a lot of work. I'm hot, these lights have me sweating, but I want y'all to come back. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Do the YouTube things, feed the algorithm. That boy Frost, Nashan, out of here. Yo, hit me up on Instagram too, One Destiny Media. If you wanna, you know, keep it up with me, it's all good. I look forward to seeing y'all again later. You know everything go. My God, peace. Up the road.
One Destiny.